everybody, page 186, key concepts 3-4. Nothing real new here, folks, other than when we have to find the initial value. But you guys know the form y equals mx plus b, I should say, to write linear representation. So here we go. Number one, how can you use a function to represent a linear relationship? Well, that's pretty simple. We do two things. Okay, we still have to find the slope and y-intercept and substitute. Use a big word. Substitute into y equals mx plus b. Okay, it's what we've been doing for a while now. Find the slope, find the y-intercept, plug it in, we write our equation. Now, Mr. Fricke's he's gonna okay us skipping question number 2.
Hey, we should skip question 2, guys.
Yep. Okay, let's go to 3. What is the initial value for all linear functions that show a proportional relationship?
Think hard here. Don't be a hero. It rhymes. There you go.
0. Okay, we've talked about it. Goes through the origin. 0.00. All proportional relationships go through or have an initial value of 0. Here we go. Number 4. Write a function in the form of y equals mx plus b for the line that contains these points. Okay, find the slope. I'm going to put an m over here, and I'm going to put a b over here. We got to find the slope. Oh, yes, nice numbers. X value, Y value, X value, Y value. So let's start with the big one. 9.5 minus negative 5 2/10. Yes, and then on the bottom, X values 6 4/10 minus a negative 8 3/10. That's good stuff there. Well, this has got to be about 14.7. Yeah. That double negative means you're adding, folks. All right, here's another double negative, which just means we're adding. So, oh my Lord, that's a 7, and that's a 14. Now, this is where I'm smart enough. I can do this division.
Can you?
Any number divided by itself is 1. That slope there, folks, is 1. Sweet. Now we have to find the y-intercept. This is great. Choose one of those points. Which one of those points maybe looks better than the other? One with 2 negatives in it or one with 2 positives?
Positives.
So this is where we go. I'm going to do the work over here. We have to start with this. Form y equals mx plus b. Do I know the slope? Yeah, we just found it. So I'm going to substitute 1 in there for m. And then we're going to use one of the coordinate pairs. And again, I'm going to use the one that has 2 positive values. I'm going to substitute x value in for x. So 6 4/10 goes here. 9 5/10 over there for the y value. And we're going back to topic 2, folks. Solving an equation for one variable. Step 1. Okay, well, I'll multiply these. 1 times 6 4/10, 6 4/10, plus some number equals 9 5/10. Isolate the variable term using your inverse operations. We got to get rid of this 6 4/10. Subtract it. That cancels it out. I'm left with my variable b. What does it stand for? That's your initial value, okay? And I got to do some subtraction. Well, this is 1, this is 3. So, our initial value is equal to 3 1/10. Now, put it in y equals mx plus b. Y equals m. Do we have to put that 1 there?
You can.
All right, well, let's just do it. I don't care. Don't matter. Okay? Add in a 3 1/10. There you go. There's your function that represents the line that would go through these 2 points. Ooh, this looks like a tough one. We have to fill out this table based on a linear relationship. Well, linear means it's going to have a constant rate of change. So if we can see a pattern in the table, apply it. Well, this goes up 10. I wonder what the missing number is.
Good work.
Now my Y values, looks like they're increasing by 5. I wonder what the next number is.
30.
And
Oh.
25, everybody. Okay. Number 6 builds on this table. Write an equation to represent this linear function, I should say. So, we got to find a slope. We got to find a y-intercept. If we find those two things, we can write the equation. Well, choose any two ordered pairs up here. Let's just use the two smaller ones. How about that?
Smaller
To find
numbers
the
are more
slope.
better.
To find the slope. So, subtract your y values on top. Bigger one minus the smaller one. 15 minus 10 on the bottom. 20 minus 10. Well, that gives you a 5. This gives you a 10. Last time I checked, 5 divided by 10 is equal to 1/2. 1/2, everybody. There's your slope. Now, because our table's not nice to us and it doesn't give us the value of y when the x value is 0, that's where we've got to use that fancy find the y-intercept. So we start with y equals mx plus b. Substitute our slope in there for m. So I'm putting 1/2 in there for m. I need an ordered pair, an x value and a y value. Choose one of them. Doesn't matter. Let's use small numbers. I like small numbers. X value 10, y value 10. Solve this equation. Okay, well, do your multiplication first. 1/2 times 10 is 5, plus some number is 10. Now you can do this part. What number plus 5 equals 10? If you're not sure, subtract 5 from both sides. That's where you're left with your value of b equal to 5.
Yeah. Put it all together now.
Put it all together. I'm going to do it in purple. Y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Slope in for n, 5 in for b. Okay, folks, there's page 186, key concept. Hoped it helped. Go to your packet. I don't know what page it is, but it's going to be the 3-4 additional practice. We'll let you know when you get to the video. See you soon.